Welcome to our guide on how to access chart of accounts in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Navigate to the menu and select Banking and Reconciliation. Then choose Reconciliation Center and finally click on Chart of Accounts. The business chart of accounts will be shown, allowing you to view all the accounts related to your business. To effortlessly add new categories, just click on the blue plus icon found in the top right corner. When you click on the blue plus icon, a new window will appear where you can enter the account type, detail type, category name, and category code. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, simply click the Add Category button. To export the chart of accounts in CSV format to your computer, simply click on the ellipsis menu and choose Export as CSV. Additionally, by selecting Update, you can easily synchronize the chart of accounts between Docyt and QBO. And there you have it. You have now learned how to easily access the business chart of accounts in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.